There you are, Randy, Ken, Winkler, Adams, Theodore Roosevelt. How are you? How many names do you have? Let's see. We're going to be potentially entering app and IonQ at the open. ER Catalyst um, entries, app, and IonQ, both at breakout points. Many aliases. Are you a writer? Is that what we have here? Coin also up, and Bull. It's called Bull. All right, let me take a look at Coin. Not interested. Bull. No. And the other one I was just looking at was INOD at $1 billion market cap. Nah. And finally, RGTI. Not quite. It's interesting. It is interesting. Huh. No, no. Let's see. Yeah. Let me see something. Do they have an indicator called extended off of a moving average? Extended from moving average. Yeah, let me see. Okay. How do you configure that particular one? Show it? Not necessarily. And I'm talking about the SMA 50. On the chart, distance for extended 7.5. What? Dollars? What is it? 7.5 what? We follow 7.5%. Okay. And what would I see? Show shape price over moving. Oh, okay. Put little dots on top. Show shape price when it's under. Ah, distance between two moving averages. No, I don't need that. Show quartiles table. I don't even see the quartiles table. Yeah, there's no quartiles table. Inputs in status line. Don't need that. Table position isn't even showing. So let me know when it's 20 over 20% from the 50. Let's see what that shows up as. No, anyway, that's not how I wanted to look like. I was just checking that out. Okay. So, but yeah, game plan here is go after app, IonQ. Did I look at Bull? I think I didn't look at Bull. Oh, I did look at Bull. Yeah, there's nothing much there. What else? Anything else up big and pre? Carvana's up 6%. Let's see. I do have alerts everywhere on all these. Okay, so we're going to be going after Carvana also. And I don't even have enough money. I'm going to have to free up money. I mean, this is just what a beautiful market. I don't have enough money to go after these puppies. Should I stop the Twitch stream? Randy, is anybody on Twitch? I could probably free up that bandwidth if nobody's on Twitch. Let's see here. What was I just doing? We have 5 minutes, 6 minutes to the open, and I'm trying to remember here what I was just about to do. Oh yeah, I wanted to see the list of ER this morning and then after hours and make sure and just take a quick look at all those. Okay, open over here. Boom. Okay, we are talking about Peloton, which is a no-go. App is good. Carvana is good. ARM is probably a no-go. CLF, definitely a no-go. Axon, Ax off. Axon, also good. We will be going after Axon. Not a lot of liquidity there, though. All right, Axon. Dutch Bros. Not so good. DoorDash. not necessarily so good. Oxy, don't even like the chart. TBBB, no. CPRX, and now this morning, that's a no on CPRX. It's kind of interesting though. Shopify, no. ConocoPhillips, no. That's we're not interested. Qubits could be interesting. What do we got going on there? Whoa, yes. Oh, this one's kind of a penny stock type action. Holy shite! That one is looking pretty powerful. Hut, no. Cron, no, because I don't necessarily like the chart. WBD, Warner Brothers, no. What else we got here? ACMR, 3.5 minutes to the open. ACMR, Crocs, which I don't like the chart, but I guess it did well, but it's below the 200. No, thank you. LNG, LNG might be one as well. All right, so you guys have 6 opportunities this morning, and I'm just going to be able to call them out. That's all you're going to get. You're going to get call outs. I don't think I'm going to be able to type them up fast enough. These things are going to be alerting everywhere. LNG is moving now. You could get into that now, even pre-market, with a stop at 236, which is sort of pre-market pivot low below this base that it created. 236. Otherwise, depending on how hard it flies from the open LNG, you could go low of the day and just wait 5 minutes for a 2-minute breakout. But you can get in now potentially with a 236 stop, and that can be a quarter, a third, a half, or even a full position. Just depends on what how you want to go about it. It is an ER catalyst trade on a gorgeous looking chart. Pretty gorgeous. Well, we are set and ready. And by the way, yeah, yesterday's Fed report has followed through pretty well and held up. Let's take a look at the market, the way it's poised. Yeah, the market's poised to break out of this pivot over here potentially today. Gap open up. I don't think so, but maybe. What it might do is fill back and fill a little bit, and then maybe tomorrow we get a doji to end the week, and then it's next week that we go and we break highs. So not this week. Numbers this morning were pretty good on the econ report, jobless claims and everything. They were all in line. All right, we have a minute and 10 seconds before the market opens, and it looks fine. We're interested in app. It's been a bit chaotic, but it's a pretty good chart. We're interested in app. What are the other ones here again? IonQ, Carvana, Qubits, IonQ, same kind of similar situation as app. Qubits, like this is be a quick swing scalp, maybe day trade, but it could even be a swing scalp. This could do well, could also do bad right off of the open. But Qubits, high risk, high reward. Carvana, did I just look at that? Axon, Axon's pretty nice, low liquidity. Carvana, the best setup. Carvana's the best setup. If I were going to go to anything in particularly number one, I would say Carvana. But you never know which one's really going to, work. So you're looking for pre-market high breakouts. Yep, there's the alert on app. I have an alert on IBKR and BCS and AFRM. Okay, I'm going to start announcing these out. I'm going to start calling. Axon's an entry. There's an entry on Axon. Stop at 6:30 if you like. Oh, we got a lot of alerts this morning. Qubits. There's an entry on Qubits. 840 stop. Wow. We got a lot of alerts. All right. Okay, I'm just going to have to write them down after all. Qubits stop 830. I don't even have time to write little dollar signs or anything. Wow, we must have about 20 alerts this morning. What an amazing morning. NVIDIA pulling back. And like I said, NVIDIA is not the best of the bunch at all. It's a laggard. Axon, totally flying. Axon, stop 630. App is not an entry yet. Neither is IonQ. Neither is Qubits. Or is it? No, Qubits is an entry with a stop at 840. Yes. All right. And that seems to be going, but not IonQ, not App. And not quite Carvana yet, but it's holding pretty firm. And we have a ton of other alerts here. Let's check out Costco. Okay, Costco is okay. We can leave that for a minute. I'm going to move that alert up a little bit. Don't worry about Costco yet, but it could be an entry today. It's not hot though. It's not like hot, hot, hot. You don't have to run after it. TJX. Let's see. Yeah, we could probably make that entry, push that up just a little bit. We'll wait on TJX as well. BSX. It needs to really like solidly break out and follow through. No. RDVT. Wow, was that an earnings? Yes, it was. All right, RDVT, that's an entry stop at 42. RDVT stop 42. All right. Carvana? No, not yet. I'm going to need to see it be bullish today. Bullish continuation on that puppy. Okay, Rocket Lab. We have a lot of alerts this morning. Okay, did Rocket Lab post ER? Rocket Lab's posting ER in after hours today, so I'm going to move that alert up. We're not going to get in that quite yet. Well, no, not quite yet. Let me just push this up a little bit so we don't get those false alerts. LNG. This is yeah, LNG is an entry. You could even do stop at 236. I don't know if I said that already. LNG stop 236. Oh yeah, that's perfect. LNG stop 236. Qubits has failed out. Cut it. I don't like that response. IonQ, App, and Carvana all failing out, but LNG looking good. Costco alerted again? I don't think so. What was it? Really? I'm gonna have to have it follow through even a little bit more. There we go. But Costco could be an entry here, and that'd be a good entry. Bros is an entry. Bros, that's a nice one. Bros entry, stop at 58. Got a lot of great alerts here this morning. I don't want to hear anybody complaining tomorrow when a bunch of these are up 5, 10%, or you could have made 20%, 10% today, 10% tomorrow. Bros, Costco, LNG, Avgo. Avgo is red, but it is in the right spot. We need to see it turn green, so I'm going to push that alert up just a tiny bit. MasterCard. Same situation. We need to see some follow through. Okay, NRG, which I already have, just alerted. In what respect? Well, it's just hanging around breakout level. Let me push that up a little bit more to alert us if we need it. NRG, MasterCard, NTNX. You should be seeing the alerts over there. Why are they not showing up? Huh. I guess you just have to use call out. Well, they're in the group. Why? It's strange how they're covered up somehow. Well, I'm not fixing that right now. NTNX. Yeah, we need to see some follow through on that, so I'll push that up just a hair. Robinhood. Robinhood's good. That's breakout. I put the stop at prior day's low, 48.80. Hood. 4880. Costco entry. Let me see. Potentially. Let me see how its shape is. A little bit iffy. It needs to follow through here. Costco's nearly an entry. Let's just push it up a little bit higher. There we go. Palantir. Okay, that's a little bit of a cheat entry on Palantir and a handle. Way at the top of the base, it's Palantir. Palantir is pretty hot. You could try a tester with stop 112. Those alerts are showing up in the group if you need them. TJX. That looks like an entry on TJX. Okay, there goes Costco as well. Costco stop 1010. TJX stop 128.80. We have just a barrage of beautiful entries and charts today this morning. Robinhood, did I already alert that one? Yep. All right, Visa. Beautiful. Visa. What you want to do is prior low of day, though, on that one. So Visa stop. I'd even put it below this little clunk of group here. 345.50. TPR. Nope. That hasn't really followed through on the earnings breakout, but maybe tomorrow. That's how those work. Carvana, which we haven't alerted yet. Yes, that's an entry on Carvana. Stop 270. And I love that one. That's the chart of the day. Stop 270. And I'm maxed out. I don't think I can get it, but I'll try. Let's see. I don't think it's going to let me. No. Oh, no. Okay, good. Let's try half of that. No? Oh, come on. Give me some of this Carvana. No, you're barely giving me any. All right, a third would be, I don't think a third computes, but 13 would be a quarter. Damn, I just can't get any. All right, I'm going to have to find something else to peel off or stop out on or something. Gotta turn on my fan. Oh, that starts making noise. Let's see if I can blow it away from the microphone. Occasional noise. Okay. All right. TPR. So anyway, that's an entry on Carvana. Hell of a chart. Dave. I think I already looked at. Whoo! Is that one flying? Wow, what a breakout. Every time it has a breakout earnings, it just like, bam, just really moves to the upside. That is an entry on Dave. Stop at 127. Axon, we just looked at. I think, what was the situation there? Yeah, Axon's good. Look at IonQ. Totally dying. There's the entry on Carvana. Perfect entry right there, 278, or any price right now. With a stop at 270 would be fine. Qubit's failing out. We talked about that earlier. App is shaping up. App might be coming up. If app can get over 355, that'd be an entry. Let's go over to app and make sure that signal is there. 355. Just made the signal artificially there. 3. Oh my gosh, I think it just hit it. That's an entry on app. Bam. App entry stop is 339. Just a ton of opportunity this morning. Incredible charts. Love app and love Carvana, both of those. And those are the ones performing. IonQ and Qubits. No, and Axon's doing well. LNG is following through nicely. These are alerts that I gave this morning. All right, get rid of app. Okay, good. Axon, we should already be in. You're good on Axon. That alert is out. Psych. Let's see. With Psych's continuation, yeah, that's good. Do I already have that? I already have that, so I'm looking good. But Psych, you could get in, stop at prior day low, 376. TLN. Where's earnings? I need to see the earnings. Okay. This is on earnings, I believe. Let's see. Yep. Thursday morning. Earnings are out. That's an entry on TLN. Stop at 227. 227. AFRM. Earnings this evening, so we're going to wait on that. Where's the candlestick? Okay, need to push that up just a little bit. BCS we looked at earlier. Need that to follow through more. And IBKR, did I put an alert on that? I don't remember, no. Let's see. I mean, did I put a post an alert? Okay, IBKR looks like it's following through. Let me see. It's a nice spot there. However, it's not really like flying. And for that reason, if you wanted to get it, you could get it stop at 177.50. IBKR, stop 177.50. Okay, so we've handled all the opportunity this morning. I wasn't able to get Carvana, which I freaking wish I could. Look at it going. Look at it going. So good. And app has triggered, so that's good. We hope that follows through as well. Those are both stocks that everyone's very hot about. All right, I'm going to check on my holdings. I have a few that are just pulled back a little. LMB. There we go. Okay, yeah, it's open gapped up and it's pulled back. This is one I'm going to let ride the 50 moving average. LMB, Spotify, just a tiny bit. Okay, no, that's looking good. Spotify, LMB, looks like Teva. My position in Teva is doing outstanding. Nice. Right now it's at about, looks like 2R, but I already subsidized the stop by taking out 50% the other day. I'm on a free ride, essentially, to my stop. Don't have to worry about that puppy. MCK, all these are financed free ride type trades. This was one that's either reporting earnings. Okay, it's reporting earnings and after hours today. I might just go ahead and fully cut that out and not take the earnings hit. Maybe. We'll see what happens. Which one is MCK? Yeah, and how many shares is that? Okay, let's see. I have $13.8 of padding. Yeah, that's not a lot. That's like 709, to like 695. Yeah, it's basically this break-even line. Now, if you go to the options chain, you can see what the expectation is on those earnings. So you go MCK, and then the market maker move on that is expecting 36 up or down. So either up here or down about here. And so let's see. Yeah, that's, I mean, it would not be a big loss, but for the position size, it would be, it's not worth it. So I will be cutting that today on MCK. Carvana is sustaining nicely up, and so is LNG has really pushed some more. And Axon, look at LNG here. You're in Hood, Bros, and Carvana. Okay, good. LNG, beautiful, beautiful breakout. Hood, let's see how that's going. All right, good. And then Bros, pretty good. Come on, we needed to follow through. But Carvana I like a lot. And then app we hope holds up. Keep an eye on it. IonQ, total failure. A lot of red. Not too bad though. Look at that. Not too bad. Still moving along. Qubits also not doing well. And that was high risk, high reward on Qubits. There's a lot of other stuff that's doing well though. Bros is and TLN and Bros are at the top of our scans this morning. Instacart, TLN, which I alerted with the stop at 227, is looking good. There's Bros Palantir. Tem is at a breakout point here. This is one that Dan Zanger likes, I believe. Is it Dan Zanger? Who is it that said they like that one? Tim. Oliver Kell. And yeah. I think because of this downward facing 50 moving average, it's just, it may be under a little bit of tug of gravity, a pullback. But it is an ER continuation. I can't alert it. 48.50 would be the stop. Prior day's low. That's a regular alert, so I'm going to go put that in the alert section. ERDT continuation. Stop 40. What did I say? 48.50. 48.50. All right, just a boatload of alerts this morning, though. That was really nice. I'm going to consolidate those 1 second. Going to put those into the other one. Oh, those are all individual? Oh, all right. Well, I'll put it in the last one. Okay. That was Carvana. And this one, Dave. Get these all lined up for you. There we go. And now I can remove these. All right. I don't know why it doesn't show in the stream right now, but that's quite all right. Okay. And now I also need to look at AT&T. Pulling back into my break even. And then also NI, which we got in yesterday. Okay, it's hanging out at the top of the range. That's good. Action and LRN, essentially a free roll that I'm holding. My stop is subsidized. And that's where I would want that stop. So that is basically a free roll. All right. Now the market is contracting. Let's take a look at that. Getting pullback in the market, which is here and here. Gold moving up, so a little bit of uncertainty. The VIX moving up, a little bit of uncertainty. Rates, however, remain down, not not by much though. But that should give the market some support. But the market wants to back and fill. It wants to fill in a lot of the move that was made yesterday. It wants to retest everything before committing to it. Let's see here, relative volume. INLX. Let's take a look at a couple of new names here. INLX, Sezzle. There's Dave, VSEC, App, Carvana, Hood. I definitely like App and Carvana, and Hood seems to be holding up as well. Yeah, boy, I hope it holds up. It is teetering right at, what was the stop on that? 48.80. Okay. To that stop. Nice. I was just looking at VSEC and the chart looked good. I think it was VSEC. Let's see. Not the friendliest price action, although a good chart, but not the friendliest price action. I would skip that one. See now MCK is just failing out. I'm going to go ahead and liquidate that before earnings. Flattening out of that. That might allow me to get into Carvana. And take a look at it. Carvana. Okay, and yeah, 270 stop looks to be the idea. 273. No, 270. Okay. So, oh yeah, I remember this. I was trying to get 52 shares. Let's see if it'll give it to me now. Now. All right, how about a half position? No. It's a third. 17 shares. Let's see. A third. Okay. Gave me a third. I didn't want to drop down to a quarter yet. I wanted to see if I could get a third. Okay. All right. I'm glad to be in Carvana. Okay. Now I'm going to put that on my chart here. $281.44. What price did you guys get? $281.44. I was late. Stop at 270. AT&T with an alert. Now I wonder if that alert is stopping me out, or what is that alert? Let's see. I see. Just an alert line that was hanging over. What price did Michael, you and Randy, what price did you guys get on Carvana entry? PAIS. Red Violet. That's full on flying. I alerted that. Yeah, that was the third one I alerted. Stop at 42. What did I? Why does my? You must mean 280.96. But that's a good price. Yeah, I got 281.44. There it is, following through now. Yes. All right. An app looks like it's failing out, guys. App does not look like it's going to follow through. Hang in there. It's being testy, but that's not good behavior. App. Randy, did you get a PCS or did you get shares position on app? Up 1R. Okay, just on that one alone right now. Yeah, so you might peel off a little. I mean, the idea is to take 50% off at 1R, so your stop is break even. But what you could do is you could just take, it depends on how you divide it up. Let's say you had 100 shares and you want to take off 50, you could take off 10. I don't think you have 1R already on Carvana. Your stop would be too tight. I don't think you're at 1R. The stop should be 270. Okay, 270 should be your stop, and your entry was 279 something. You said 280, almost 281. That's $11. So 1 to 1 is 292. Core, we got an alert here on core. Oh, well, that's not a good alert. It returned back to the alert line. That's quite a fake out. Let's go back and let people know to get out of that. Okay, we didn't alert that one. No, it was too extended already, I guess. All right, core. Exit, fake out. There's your Carvana, nice. Be working on chipping out half your position on Carvana so you can hold hold that as a swing. Because that's the beginning of a beautiful breakout. All right, you guys, have a good morning. I got to go run errands. It's been good. And we'll talk back in the group. All right. Thanks a bunch for tuning in.